The video you are about to watch comes with a lesson plan, audio clips, worksheets, a Kahoot and more. Just sign up for the 7-day free trial on FrenchWithMrInnes.com, where you will also find new weekly content from my new home in Paris. See the link in the description below. Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to Maison Lafitte et bienvenue! Welcome to the school in which I teach. Here I am actually an English teacher to French-speaking kids like Lina and Paris. And so today we are going to be thinking about le Nouvel An Chinois, Chinese New Year. Stay tuned to find out more. Oui, bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to this special seasonal video on French with Mr. Innes, all about Chinese New Year. And today we have two special guests who will be helping us out in Maison Lafitte, that town to the west of Paris. So let's meet them just now.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Paris, j'ai 10 ans. Je suis pakistanais et chinois.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Lina, j'ai 8 ans, je suis pakistanais et chinois.
Merci Paris, merci Lina, and in the meantime guys, don't forget that if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But let's kickstart our video with our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that whereas in France and most other countries, the New Year starts on le 1er janvier, in China, the New Year starts with a new moon at the end of January or the beginning of February. It is a time for families to get together and celebrate with lots of traditions, some of which come from the legend of the monster Nian. The legend goes that Nian would attack villages at the beginning of each new year. However, this monster was scared of loud noises, bright lights, and the colour red, so villagers would scare him away by setting off fireworks and decorating their houses red, a tradition which Chinese people continue to do at New Year. So now let's move on in the video to our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day means at Chinese New Year there is, or at Chinese New Year there are. So répétez, au Nouvel An Chinois il y a. 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 Fantastic! So time to go back to Paris and Lina as we move on to our Ooh La La vocab! Yes, so today we are going to be learning a little bit more about le Nouvel An Chinois, Chinese New Year. We have at the door these spring festival couplets, which traditionally you hang on the door, and we are going to go inside now, guys, just to find out a little bit more about how we celebrate Chinese New Year. So Paris and Lina, in we go. As we head inside, let's think about our first Ooh La La vocab. Fireworks!
Did you know that China invented fireworks 2,000 years ago?
Fireworks get him away.
So this is how we say fireworks in French. I'd like you to répéter 8 fois, repeat 8 times, and notice whenever there is a grey letter, that means that you do not pronounce it because it is silent. So, répétez des feux d'artifice. 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 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, ah, ah,
Mr. Innes, back to the ooh la la vocab.
Yeah, okay, fair point. Our second ooh la la vocab is red envelopes.
At Chinese New Year, families gave red envelopes with monies.
Nian was scared of red.
新年好，谢谢。
新年好，谢谢。
你长得什么？眼快。
And this is €2, whereas you might use pounds or dollars in the UK, America, or Canada. These are euros that we use in French. To say red envelopes in French, this time we need a liaison, which is when the sound at the end of one word rolls into the sound of the next word. You can see that below where we have des enveloppes. Okay, so the S from des runs into the envelope. So répétez, des enveloppes rouges. 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 Is this for me? Ah, 新年好. Ah, thank you very much, Lena. This is amazing. I wonder how much is inside. Nothing. Notre troisième oulala vocab est decorations. Now, red decorations were crucial to scaring away the monster Nian, just like these spring festival couplets that you put on your front door, as well as this special character.
This means happiness, and in Chinese mean feux.
And Paris and Lena also have this amazing calendar celebrating the upcoming Year of the Rabbit.
Is for the year 2023 and the year of rabbit.
So this is how you say decorations in French. Répétez. Des décorations. 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 Our next ooh la la vocab is dumplings. Just like these ones made by Paris and Lena's mum.
At Chinese New Year, we eat a lot of tasty foods like these dumplings.
Now, these dumplings are a very important part of Chinese family life around New Year, and these particular dumplings are made of beef and vegetables. Very tasty. So répétez, des raviolis. 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 And our final ooh la la vocab is special treats. Now, we might not always use the term special treats in English, but the French word we're going to use is very important and perfectly describes these two special Chinese treats that Paris and Lena are about to show us.
We also have tasty treats like these cookies.
And coconut candy.
Are they tasty?
Yeah, very tasty.
Thank you very much. So, répétez, des gourmandises. 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 Don't forget that you can find loads more exclusive content from Paris on FrenchWithMrInnes.com. Sign up to the 7-day free trial in the link below for more fun, interactive and entertaining videos with accompanying resources. Perfect for weekly French lessons. Oh, you boo. You're so cute. So now let's move on and play Which One's Missing? As per usual, we have 6 Which One's Missing, and I'm going to help you with the first 3. First up, we have des feux d'artifice, des enveloppes rouges, des décorations, des raviolis. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said des décorations. Next up, we have des feux d'artifice, des enveloppes rouges, des gourmandises, and des raviolis. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said des feux d'artifice. Next up, we have des décorations, des enveloppes rouges, des gourmandises, et des raviolis. Which one's missing? Super if you said des raviolis. Next up, and this time you guys are on your own. Which one's missing? Merveilleux if you said des enveloppes rouges. Next up. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said des gourmandises. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, très bien, fantastique et merveilleux if you said des feux d'artifice. So now let's move on to our Sensational Sentences!
Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences.
For our sensational sentences, can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Très bien. Au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a, which means at Chinese New Year, there is or there are. So we're going to combine our phrase of the day with our 5 Ouh la la vocab. And I'm going to help you with the first de. So, first up, how would you say at Chinese New Year there are fireworks? Répétez. Au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des feux d'artifice. Au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des feux d'artifice. Bravo! Next up, how would you say at Chinese New Year there are red envelopes? Répétez. Au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des enveloppes rouges. Au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des enveloppes rouges. Magnifique. Try the next trois by yourself. First up, how would you say at Chinese New Year there are decorations? Magnifique if you said au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des décorations. Next up, how would you say at Chinese New Year there are dumplings? Super if you said au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des raviolis. And last up, how would you say at Chinese New Year there are special treats? Bravo if you said au Nouvel An Chinois, il y a des gourmandises. And now let's move on to our Song of the Day. Today we have a beautiful French song by Les Enfants Fantastiques, and it's called Si j'allais en Chine, if I went to China. This is a really catchy song by the Fantastic Kids Choir, and the video shows loads of cool clips of China at all times of year, including Chinese New Year. And you can find a link to the video in the description below. Let's move on in the video now by heading back to Maison Lafitte. And now it's time for our
Challenge time.
Today I am going to challenge you guys to find out the year of 10 of your friends and family, or maybe some even famous people. By the year, I mean have a look at this right here. The year in which the person was born corresponds with one of 12 different animals. Now, I am actually the year of the dog. Paris, how about you?
Dragon.
Lena?
Horse.
The year of the dragon, the year of the horse. So can you guys find out 10 different famous people or friends and family and figure out which year they are? Bon courage. That is everything from this special French with Mr. Innes seasonal video. Don't forget that you can find a full lesson to this video by signing up on frenchwithmrinnes.com. But in the meantime,
Make sure you like.
And subscribe.
and also,
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
et au revoir!